Please
Okay.
introduce yourself.
Okay. Thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm doing a job. If I talk about my hobby is traveling. When I get time, I travel, and in my free time, I practice my English with someone, with strangers. Yeah, that's all about me. So, what about you?
Good to hear that. As you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from India. Currently, I'm living in Mathura, which is in UP. I have just started working as a teacher. It has been only 1 month. And talking about my qualification, I'm graduate from commerce and I'm blessed with 2 kids. So this is all about me. Thank you.
Okay. So, madam, which subject do you teach at school?
English, spoken English.
Okay, spoken English. Okay, that's really nice. So, madam, as you said, you are graduated in commerce subject.
Yes, you heard me right.
Okay, so how did you learn speaking English?
By doing practicing. But I can say, to be very
Okay,
honest, when I started my channel, meaning 3 years ago, when I embarked this journey, like making my solo videos as I didn't have any environment. So I used to speak with myself. I used to record my voice and then upload it on YouTube. This is how I started my this journey, and I had been doing such things. But for 1 year, I didn't do anything. I stopped everything. Again, I bounced back, thinking that this much I could do. So now I think it's been 7 months, and I have been talking with people on every single day. And just by speaking with people, I have magnified my confidence level. Yes.
okay, that's really nice. And you speak very well. If I talk about
Thank
myself,
you.
I started speaking journey 5 months ago, and
Hmm.
right, I can speak a little bit, not
Okay.
not much.
Hmm.
You
Okay.
said you are from Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm.
Okay.
Have you ever
So
visited to India?
no, no, no. I never visited India, and I never go out of my country. So what about you? Have you traveled any country?
No, no, never ever.
Okay. Do you have any plan in future? Will you want to travel any
Yeah,
country?
yeah, but can't say now.
Okay.
I just can't say
Okay.
now. I just can't disclose.
Okay. If you will get chance to visit, so which country will you want to visit first?
No idea. And I'm not thinking because it's not a very big thing for me. It's not kind of dream. There's so many people, they have the dream to, visit and travel so many countries. So I don't have kind of dream, so-called dream. I'm like
Yes. So
totally
don't
contented personality. Yeah. I'm contented with the
don't.
things which I do.
Okay. So don't you have any dream country?
No, not at all.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Hmm.
Madam, how many students do you teach at your school?
There's so many. I teach 7th and 8th standard students, and when I joined in the school, so that time I used to teach to the teachers. Up to 15 days, I taught to the teachers initially, and as the students, all the students started coming. So from that day, I have been teaching to the students, and it is
Okay.
all about spoken English.
Okay. So teaching is your dream job?
No, it's not kind of dream job, and I never thought of this. It just happened out of nowhere. The authority, they just approached me. Like, we came across, and then we had a conversation in English. In Mathura, very few people speak in English.
So what's your native language, madam?
It's Hindi.
Okay, Hindi. So how many languages do you know?
Two languages.
Two
Little bit
languages.
Haryanvi, little bit Udiya.
Okay, I got it. So how did you get this job?
As I earlier mentioned you, like the authority, they approached me and we come across. Hmm.
Yes,
Actually,
you
we
are.
come we had a conversation in English, and I was speaking with that particular person really confidently. and with the flow. So, and I was not fearing at all. So, all of a sudden, he just offered this job. Like, would you like to do such kind of job as that? That school, they authority, they need a tutor like you. So I was like, okay, and I nodded yes. And after a few days later, I came to know the person to whom I encountered. He was the person who is holding the all management of that particular school.
Okay, I got it. So
Hmm.
now you teach spoken English to your student. So how do you think about to learn English? Grammar is important to learn speaking English.
Yes, of course, it's really true. It's really important and plays a very crucial part here, because as you don't know grammar rules, and there are few rules that you must know. Talking about tenses, voices, you must know. Models, you must know. To frame the sentences, you must know how to uh, make a meaningful sentence. Without knowing the grammar rules, you will not be able to make a meaningful sentence, and the things which you have in your mind, and you have to say it, you have to just put across your thoughts into words, and that moment you must know the grammar rules, especially tenses I'm talking about. And you should be saying things accurately at the same time, so that other person also comprehend you in the same way, in the same context. And for that, you must know some really basic rules, grammar rules, patterns.
Okay, I got it. So did you go to your school today?
Today, yes, I went to the school.
Okay. So what was your today's lesson in your school?
It was all about present indefinite tense, with the meaning, as they just don't understand me sometimes, the students, when I am speaking with them in English. So I need to speak with them in Hindi, and then I have to translate the things. I have to write down a lot of things on the blackboard. And something interesting happened today. They are like really small students. So as now we have become really familiar, as it has been one more than 1 month working in that particular school. So I
Okay, I
have
got.
totally mingled with them, and they also really mingled with me, the 7th and 8th class students, specifically 8th class students. So as I just entered into the classroom, and they all were like standing to greet me, and they were like singing a song, Hindi song. आइए आपका इंतजार था. Like this way, all were boys, just two girls were there, and they are really naughty, and they are really sweet, really nice students they are, as they are really intelligent in all their subject. Little bit they are less in English, but as they sang this song, it's like, what is happening? But I really enjoyed, and I took their class, and it was really nice.
Okay. So ma'am,
Yeah.
can you sing a song?
Not now. But I sing. I'm really fond of singing songs. I have so many hobbies. How do you know
Okay.
this?
Sorry.
You asked me to sing a song, so I'm asking like how did you know? And like, did you have the inkling?
Okay, so you are a girl, so you must know sing, how to sing a
No,
song.
no, that's
Yeah.
not true. So many girls, so many women out there, they just don't really like to sing, and sometimes they are having a hoarse voice, so they just can't sing.
Okay, so you don't like singing a song. Do you like dancing?
I like singing. This is what I'm saying, no? I like singing. I'm very fond of singing and dancing as well, but not now.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Mhm.